Hey, what's up Cardano holders? So in this video we discuss the Cardano price in 2022. Can my friends, they will reach our target or not? Let's see my brother. After prediction, after technical analysis, I will tell you my brother the target of Cardano in 2022. So if you are a long-term investor, then must watch this video to understand better now my brother. So let's see, but kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notifications. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. My brother, this time you can see here the latest update change last 1 hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days chart. So the last 1 hour is negative, the last 24 hours is positive, and you can see my friend in the last 7 days is going to be negative now. So it's been my brothers in the start of month every cryptocurrency fails down, so don't see this short fails. If you are a long time investor, then don't see. And remember my brothers, to Cardano, one of the stable coin in a crypto market, when they starting moving upward now, so absolutely my friends, they broke all the records and they completely go in the moon now. So my brother, if we check out this time my brother, I already opened at the last 1 year chart, and this chart is completely my brothers show you to after a fails this coin is fails down. You can see my brothers, so they continuously they're starting moving upward now, and this is stable coin, so therefore you can see there is not a big fails, there is not a big jump. But after that my friend, you can see here they take a very huge jump now, but after again my friend, after a jump they fails down. So remember, to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. You can see they take again short fail, and if you see my friends, this time the resistance line, so resistance line is also come down to 1.5 USD dollar. It's a 1.5 USD dollar my brother. It's mean my brothers to they completely moving and the one level. You can see here in the resistance level, so not they take a big dump and not they take a big jump my brothers. So let's see, but holder, if we see the terrible condition my brothers, so it's mean my brothers to upcoming time there is more chances to they take a jump, because after fails every cryptocurrencies take a very huge jump now, you better understand. So you can see my friend, this completely moving in this circulation to after this fails they take a jump now. I'm 100% sure my brothers, to after this fails they take a very huge jump now. So let's see, but kindly holder, first of all you need to hold it. If you hold it, then exactly my friend, this coin is completely going the moon now, and they will give you a very good profit now. So our target is my brother $3 USD before 2022 my friends, they will hit now to $3 USD, but this is possible if you are hold, because if you can see my brother, you just only in a 2 month my brothers they hit $1 USD. So it's mean my brothers, to upcoming term there is more chances to in 2 months they will hit $1 USD. It is possible my brothers. So let's see, but kindly holders, you need to hold it and don't sell it and wait for a good time. I hope my brothers, they will give you a very good profit now, so you need to hold. Thanks for watching Cardano holder. Hope you understand something new now. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.